Yeah, I'm good.
That's what happens when you drive too fast, bro. Oh, I got it all on fucking camera.
Yeah, this is on camera too.
Hang on. What was that?
It's on camera too. It was only 80.
You were on.
I think it's just I slid a bit.
Yeah. All right, mate. You all right?
Yeah. Is it possible to get the door open so I can get out? That's not good. That's not good. Hopefully she's fine. Bumper's gone. Well, that's really not good. I could have died. I could have died.
Nice and low gear.
Yeah, yeah. I can hear that.
Nice and low gear, Dave.
I think it's digging into the ground, so I might need to come this way. That's hitting that.
The rope on the other side.
Yeah, I might have to do it that way. She's in there pretty good. I'm alright, but yeah. That thing's struggling. It's coming. Oh.
Got the old hammer box in here.
Yep, definitely do.
King steering.
Yeah, yeah.
Straighten up. Make sure there's no damage in your car so you keep your eyes safe.
Yeah, it actually looks
Yeah,
fine.
alright.
There's only a little ding on that side.
No, just
Yeah. This guy is an absolute legend. He's helping me. I think the cross member's bent, so this thing's moved back a bit. So yeah, officially I can say this thing's gonna be off the road for a while. Yeah, bend it, all good. Just bend it upwards. Can bend this in my
yeah,
pocket.
take it right up. That's the idea. Don't pass any cows.
Yeah.
Okay, mate.
Oh, awesome, thank you so much. I will, yeah, I need to give you a beers.
You live
Thank
down
you.
here, do you?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
yeah, we just recently moved.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Well, you be careful now. Just take it easy going home.
Yep, thank you. Thank you. So yeah, she's a bit bouncy because this side of the wheel has been pushed in and it's on the piss now, obviously. I can't expect a straight alignment. And yeah, this morning, a weird thing. This car didn't want to start up. It actually made a bad ground. She made a bad ground on the battery so she wouldn't start when I went to go get food. And guess what? This happened. She knew. Fuck's sake, she knew, man. She knew not to go. She was telling me, and I thought in my head, it's gonna be a crash. And I was like, nah, I'm just overthinking myself, blah blah blah. But no, she actually fucking crashed. She was telling me not to go by not grounding the battery and not starting, but here's me, crashed with my fender sticking out. So could have been worse. I'm alive. That's the main point. Okay, so I'm going to make this short and simple. What exactly happened there was I run MYO2s on the rear of my GF8. So what happened was these MYO2s aren't exactly new. They're like nearly 2 to 3 years old, but they're still waffable. So I didn't think there would be an inner issue or something like that. So they're kind of like minimum depth, but they're still legal. So they kind of lost their, you know, grippiness, but also the road is also to blame for, because what happens is this is a rural road, and that corner, you can see there's 2 tire marks where trucks go there every day, and it's actually flattened out the road. So what that means is the road is literally like wet concrete. So if you hit any kind of speed on smooth surface, which is like concrete, the car will slide. It will hydroplane. So that's exactly what happened. The tires aren't the greatest. I mean, they're still legal, but also it is on a very smooth surface. So when it rains there, you know, you hit that corner, the car will definitely slide. Unless you have great tires and you can, you know, your tires can grip on really smooth surfaces, then you'll be sweet. But you know, this is normal street tires, MYO2s, and yeah, you can see the tires here. They have actually pretty good tread, but like as I say, if you hit a corner on a smooth surface, it's going to definitely lose a little bit of traction, especially in the rain, and it just hydroplaned. That's exactly what happened. So yeah, we will check out the aftermath of the damages and what needs to be done to the car in part 2. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys then.